So if you want to get distinctions this coming June exam season, I want you to follow this 4-step process. Step number 1, I want you to pick up any past question paper, even if you feel like you're not ready, even if you feel like you haven't covered all the content that you need to cover yet. And I want you to do that past question paper in its entirety, meaning that you need to do all the questions. You can set a timer for yourself. However, even if it goes off, make sure that you finish the entire question paper, even if you go over time. And what I want you to do, which is step number 2, I want you to mark all the questions in that paper and give them a total. What do I mean? Let's say question 1.1, it was out of 5 and you got 1 out of 5, and then you say, okay, cool, I got 20% because 1 divided by 5 is 20%. And you're gonna do that with all the questions: 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. And then after that, I want you to look at each of the questions. Start with the ones that you got below 50%. So the lowest ones, the one you got 10%, 0%, 20%. And I want you to ask yourself for those specific questions, which topic was being tested, right? And then that's step number 3, whereby you go and strategically review your notes or the test book for those specific sections that were tested in those specific questions whereby you got poor marks. So you're strategically reviewing your notes now because you know what to focus on. And then after reviewing your notes, then you can basically come back, which is step number 4, and kind of like review that question again that you performed poorly in, that was asked in that paper, and ask yourself, how did I get this thing wrong? Where did I go wrong? And in next time when I see a question like this, what's the thought process that I should be following? And if you use this 4-step process, I'm telling you, you're going to move from struggling to top performing in your class. So make sure that you like this video, you drop a comment, you follow me. And if you need support moving from average to top performing, make sure that you go to the link in my bio. Cheers.